Hello and welcome back to yet another video, guys. So this is the unboxing of fit warmers, electrical or electronic foot warmers. So I have actually two pieces of the same thing, two different things. So if you can see closely, and these are shoe soles and these heat up when connected to a battery. So iske saath ye shoe sole ke saath they have provided battery packs like this. Inside there is a small battery pack. So once you open it up, there is a place for 3 AAA batteries. So this is a fit warmer. The price of both this fit warmer and the other one which I am going to show you right now are both around $11 brought from AliExpress. खरीदना है तो वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक रहेगा, वहां से जाके आप खरीद लो. I will test them out in front of you. So how we are going to wear them? First of all, ये तो आपको इंसर्ट करना पड़ेगा अपना राइडिंग बूट और कोई भी बूट हो उसके नीचे आपको ये सोल्स इंसर्ट करना पड़ेगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन कनेक्ट देम डायरेक्टली टू दिस बैटरी पैक्स. बैटरी पैक कुछ इस तरीके से you have to wear it on your feet. There are velcros here, so पहनना भी ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होगा. The arrangement is pretty nice. So आप बैटरी डाल के भूल जाओ. You don't have to worry about it. I would suggest not using rechargeable batteries, but rather good batteries. उसके वजह से आपको हीट ज्यादा देर तक मिलता रहेगा. How much is the heat? I will show you right now. How much is the heat generated? I will definitely show you. Since this is 3 batteries, you can estimate it's around 4.5 volts. So this is 4.5 volt for each foot. Okay, so it's pretty good. Which is the other one that I have. So the other one is like this. So हाँ उसके नीचे भी ऐसे ही heating coils होगा. So you have to insert this into your boot, riding boots or whatever riding shoes you are going to wear. There is a simple plug using which you can disconnect and connect it. और दूसरे end पे there is just a USB point. So you can either connect it to your power bank or any other USB power source that you have. It may be the motorcycle power source, लेकिन मोटरसाइकिल के ऊपर तक नीचे power source लाते लाते that would be like the wires would be too messy. So इसका एक प्रॉब्लम है, there is only you can have only one power source, जहाँ पे इस पे there are 2 different power sources. So definitely this one is better than that. So this is the number 1 sole that I am showing you. इसका भी description में भी लिखा रहेगा link to this number 1 foot warmer. It's around $11 as I said. So $11 यानी कि 700-800 रुपए के आसपास. So let's first of all try out how much heat this is generating. Okay, for demonstration purposes, I have this 30,000 mAh Proda power bank which has an output of 5 volts 1 ampere or 5 volt 2 ampere. So I'll use this 5 volt 2 ampere slot so that the heat generated will be pretty good. So I'm just connecting it to this power bank and I'll just turn it on. And these are supposed to start heating up. देखते हैं, let's wait. I'll tell you when I feel the heat. So power bank is charged at 100%. Running these things, if you have good better batteries, well I can feel the heat right now. थोड़ी बहुत तो temperature बढ़ना शुरू किया है. It's only been a few seconds, like 15 seconds, or I can feel that both of them have started to heat up. जहाँ तक मेरा अंदाजा है, and since I have used similar kind of heated gloves before, which are purchased from AliExpress or sites like that, वहाँ पे भी temperature increases to a maximum of 3 or 4 degree centigrade. So, मतलब ये है आपको आराम मिलने वाला है थोड़ी बहुत, but the difference is not significant. जैसे कि अगर temperature -10-11 हुआ, decrease of 3 or 4 temperatures, that is -6 or 5, you won't feel much difference, but definitely it makes a difference. Because अगर ये heat हो रहा है, it's hitting up pretty good. So while investing in this, don't expect that the heat will be massive, heat difference will be massive, but do expect that it will be pretty good. So इसका आगे टेस्ट करने का मतलब नहीं बनता. I will not install these because I will be installing the other ones. This one generates pretty good heat. Leaving them for now. So for the other foot sole, that is this one that I showed you, I will be using these Duracell batteries because the blue Duracell batteries are a little bit long lasting than the other ones, than the normal ones, that is ये वाला. So this is the normal Duracell battery. The blue ones last a little bit longer. That's what I've seen from my past experiences. So I will be inserting 3 of them into this battery pack and another 3 into the other battery pack that's lying right there. ठीक है. These batteries have never been used previously. The reason they are sealed with a sellotape is because मेघालय ट्रिप पे ले जाके कैंपिंग के वक्त फिर I did not need to use them, but then this thing was wet, so it got peeled off automatically. So let's insert the batteries into this one. Let's check if it works. There is a small little switch here. You can see that. So flicking that, yeah, the power, this one works fine. Let's just put it into this thing. Taking out the second battery pack. This works fine as well. Now before I insert them into my riding boots, I'll have to cut and shape them according to the riding boot sole. So here you can see some of the European sizes, EU sizes that are already given, according to which you should cut the soles. Let us first plug them into one and check how much heated up they get. Plugged in, turned on. Let's see how fast they heat up. I'll just keep the battery pack here. since it's padded with this foam, I know that the heat, it will take some more time to get the heat delivered to the surface, but I hope the Duracell batteries will work better. Yeah, I can feel the heat right now itself. It has started heating up quite fast. और इसका जो padding भी है ना, ये काफी मोटा है, as you can see here. So yeah, it has started heating up already, which says that this is perfectly fine. Let's go and check the other one. I'll keep it aside. Connecting it to the battery pack, turning it on. Let's see how fast it gets heated. Yeah, it has started heating up a little bit. So you see the difference of heat is not that much, but yeah, थोड़ी बहुत तो heat हो ही रहा है. मतलब there will be changes in temperature for sure. So yeah, this thing is also fine. The next part that we will be doing is inserting these holes onto our riding shoes. इसके लिए, as I already told you, we have to cut them as per the markings given here. These are EU markings. So आप अपना riding shoe या कोई भी boot देख लो. I have these Mototech riding shoes, and here you can see EU 40. So that means I will be cutting it according to the 40 marking here. So इसको पहले काट लेते हैं दोनों को, and then we'll try them out. For the other types of soles, that is this type of sole that I showed you, ये काटने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये अगर काटोगे तो the wiring, the circuit will be broken and then it will automatically get disconnected. So do not cut this one. Both of them have been padded and cut up to the size 40. Let's insert them into my riding boots now. I have these waterproof Mototech riding boots. अगर आपने इसका वीडियो अनबॉक्सिंग और इसका टेस्टिंग, वाटरप्रूफ टेस्टिंग का वीडियो नहीं देखा तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया रहेगा, देख लेना. ऊपर भी लिंक है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो वॉच दैट. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट इंसर्ट दिस वन इनटू दिस. इंसर्ट करना काफी मुश्किल काम है. इफ इट्स ए नॉर्मल बूट, स्पेसिफिकली इतना नी लेवल के राइडिंग बूट्स के अंदर ये इंसर्ट करना इज क्वाइट ए बिग डील, because I don't want the circuit to break off, right? अगर ये circuit टूट गया then the heating won't work, and I don't also want to put stress on these joints because ये भी अगर निकल गया तो भी the thing is gone. You are buying it for 900 price may seem quite high to many of you, but then these are the cheapest available in the market. It's really very difficult to show you how I am inserting that, but वही जुगाड़ू काम करके try and push them inside as best as you can. And the last thing that you can do is put your feet inside to check if they are properly placed. हाँ, हमेशा पैर डालते वक्त ये वायर आप हाथ से पकड़ के रखें. Yeah, I think बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से I have been able to place them. So let me just try one of them out. I can definitely place them here. This is the part where it goes in. Let's have the button as outside as possible. So I just turned it on. You can see the red light glowing, zipping up my boots. It has already started to heat up. I can feel that. But then maximum heat ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है. All the way जब तक मैं इसको दूसरा बूट पे लगाता हूँ तब तक I will let this heater run and try to estimate and tell you how much of a temperature difference you might face. Let's start with the next boot. Okay, so ये तो insert हो गया अंदर. If you can see that. By the time I did install this, the heaters in this boot has become quite warm. So I'll just turn it off. That's about it, my friends. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, as always, do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you have not subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.